Alright, today I'm going to mount this Renogy 200 watt solar panel on my Oru Designs Bruin Camper. So let's take a look. So I have these mounts. This is a Renogy solar panel, and they sell these brackets that go on here. So I got some of those and mounted them in that orientation. That'll keep it lower to the roof line because I plan on mounting it to the cross rails up here. So just a quick layout there. And the only hardware that I found that'll fit this slot are these slot nuts from McMaster Car. Alright, here's the panel mounted up here. Pretty straightforward. I ordered this pre-installed solar connector right there, which I regret. I shouldn't have done that. I prefer this kind right here that has these clips. This was like 20 bucks on Amazon. And so the solar wires are that long. So I'll just get some wire, put a connector on them, and then replace that solar with this one here. Plug it in, and then run the wires inside, which is already done for you. So, alright, let's get it wired up. Alright, so I popped this solar input that came with the camper off. All that was in there was some VHB tape to mount it, and then they had some roof tape on top of it. So pop that off. Now I'll put this one in its place, and I have some 3M VHB tape and also some roof repair tape. And I clean the area with alcohol. Alright, I'll mount it up now. And here that is all taped up. So I put VHB on the bottom side of it to secure it to the rooftop, and then the roof tape to seal it against the elements. And then now I'll connect that wire to the solar wires, and then put these MC4 connectors on the other end of it. Here's how the wires came out for the solar panel. So we have the extension coming from the solar wires into the solar input. And then down through there and across behind the folding panel and out around it and on down and out to the front. So heat shrink to splice in extension wires to the front, and then I put some MC4 connectors on it into this this saw connector. I think it's called an XT60. So that's it. Now we got solar.